Hi, boys and girls. So we're starting a brand new unit in Fundations, and this whole unit is going to focus on our long vowel sounds. So we have a lot to learn today, so let's get started. All right, so we're looking at our long and short vowels on a chart on here, okay? So let's look at A. We already know A, apple, ah. Now A can say another sound. A says its name. The long vowel sound just says A. So it's A, safe, A. You try it. Good. All right, now E can have two sounds as well. There's a short sound, and we're going to learn the long one. So the long sound for E says E. It says E, Pete, E. You try it. Good. I can say I. So it's I, pine, I. You try it. Good. And O could have the short vowel sound like octopus, or we're going to learn the long vowel. It's O, home, O. You try it. Good. And U actually has two other sounds. So there's the short vowel sound and then two others, okay? So we know it says like in up, but you can also say you, mule, you. You try it. Good. Or it could say rule, and the vowel sound says the oo sound, okay? So it's you, rule, oo. You try it. You. Good. All right. So we learned about last week, or a few weeks ago, we learned about there are many different types of syllables. Okay, there's 7 types of syllables, and we were working on the closed syllable. Today, because we learned our new long vowels, we're going to start working on the magic E syllables. So these are the vowel consonant E syllables. If you look over here, it's adding the silent E at the end, the magic E, after one consonant makes the vowel long. So look at this word here. It no longer has the short vowel sound. So it says the long vowel. Remember, A. Okay, so it's k, aim, came. So it's a vowel, then there's a consonant, and then our silent E, and that's why they crossed it out, okay? So we're going to practice a few. I have some words already made here. These are our CVC words, so we know that they're closed, and they have, I see the symbol right here, the brev, they have a short vowel. So this one is hop, cap, and tap. Now, remember, we're working on our silent E, our magic E. So if I move my E up here, E jumps over the consonant to make the vowel say its name. So now this doesn't say ah, it says ope. So my word changed from hop to hope. We would mark this by scooping our word, because now we know it's not a closed syllable. This is a vowel. So we're going to write V-E. It means a vowel consonant E. Okay? And we would cross out, let me get my scribble tool. We would cross out our E because it's silent. It's a magic letter. Okay? So let's try another one. This word was cap. I want to change it. So when I put my silent E here, my magic E, it hops over the P to make the vowel say its name. It says A. So now it's k, ape. And remember, the E is silent, so we don't need to tap that out. My new word is cape. So I'm going to scoop it, because this is it's a vowel consonant E. syllable. And I need to cross out my silent E so I don't tap it. Okay. Last one we're going to try right now. This was tap. When I put my silent E up, it changes the word. Remember, it hops over the consonant to the vowel, and it makes the A say its name. So it says ape, tape. I'm going to scoop my word because it's a vowel consonant E syllable. And I'm going to cross out the E. Okay. Now, in some words, S, like in the word bugs, has a different sound, right? It says the Z sound. Well, when there are these two vowels, when there's a vowel and then a consonant E, sometimes S will say the Z sound, like in the words wise and rise. Okay, the S makes the Z sound because it's in between two vowels. Okay, so let's practice a few. Okay, I want to make the word rope. All right, let's tap out the word rope. R-ope. All right, so let's pull down the sounds that I hear. R, O. I'm noticing it is the letter O, but it's not the short vowel O. So what do you think I need to have at the very end after my P sound? Silent E, that magic E. It makes that O say its name. Okay, my word is rope. Now let's mark this word. All right, so I'm going to scoop it because I can see there's a vowel, a consonant, and then there's an E. So let's fill in our syllable, vowel, consonant, E. And I need to cross out my E because, oh, my scribble tool didn't work, because we don't tap that out. When we were tapping, did you hear an E sound? No, because it's a silent E. It's magic, okay? So one last thing that we need to do to this word is just like when we marked our short vowel, we have to mark our long vowel. Okay, we mark our long vowel by putting a line above the vowel that says the long sound. This is called a macron. You try it. Good. All right, so this tells me that the O says the O sound. It's a long sound. All right, so that's why we put our macron. All right, let's try another one. I'm going to clear my board to do the word plane. You say it. Good, let's tap it together. Ready? Get your fingers ready. P-O-A. All right, I heard that A sound, so I know there's going to be a magic letter at the end. Let's build our word. P-O-A. All right, and remember our vowel said the long vowel sound, so I know I need a magic letter at the end. Magic silent E. Okay, plane. Now let's mark it. This one has some more marking to do. What do we see in the beginning? It has a beginning blend, so we're going to mark the beginning blend by underlining each letter. Okay. Then I'm noticing there's a vowel, consonant, E pattern. So this is our vowel, consonant, E syllable. So let's bring out our scoop and we'll vowel, consonant, E. We'll add our lettering so we know what kind of scoop it is. I can't forget that this is a long vowel, so I need my macron. And I need to cross out my silent letter so we don't tap it. Okay? So let's try now. Let's tap it out the way that we have it up here now. P-O-N. Plain. Good job. All right, and the last one we're going to practice today. Let me just clear my board. Okay, the last one that we're going to practice today is wise. Everyone say it. Good, let's tap it out. W-eyes. All right, this one was one of those tricky ones that we talked about. Okay, so let's bring down what we hear. We hear the w, I. So I know that's a long I, so I know at the end I'm going to have a silent letter, right? So wise. Do I bring down a Z or an S? I bring down an S because remember, sometimes when S is between two vowels, it makes the Z sound, okay? Wise. Let's mark this word. So first thing I'm noticing is I is a long vowel, so I'm going to put my macron over top of it. Okay, I can scoop because now I see long vowel, consonant E. So let's fill in our letters. So it's V-E for vowel-E, consonant, okay? And then we're going to cross out our E so we don't tap it. Let's tap it one last time. Ready? Wise. W-eyes. Wise. Good. All right. And the last thing we have to do today is our trick words. Okay. We have 3 new trick words. Sentence is, here is my friend. You say it. Good, let's build it. We need capital letter to start. Here is my friend. And I'm telling you something, so we're just going to put a period. Let's fill in our boxes. Here is my friend. Now, all of these words, except for one of them, are old trick words. So I can guess that my new trick word is going to be right here. What's my new trick word? Friend. All right, let's arm spell it. Say friend. Friend. F-R-I-E-N-D. Friend. Good. Now I'm going to change up my sentence just a little bit. I'm going to move friend over and our period over so I can squeeze in a new trick word. We're going to squeeze in the word other. Let's read the sentence now. Here is my other friend. So I'm going to circle our word other. And let's get ready to arm spell this word. Everyone say other. Other. O-T-H-E-R. Other. So we have friend and other, and we're going to make one last change to this sentence. I'm going to get rid of my, and I'm going to change our trick word other to, look at that, I'm a magician. Okay, I added an to the beginning of this, so now this new word is another. Okay, so let's circle our new trick word, another. And now my sentence says, here is another friend. Okay, let's get ready to arm spell this word. Say another, another. A-N-O-T-H-E-R, another. All right, boys and girls, nice job. So we have our 3 new trick words, friend, other, and another. Have a good day.